Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 99 Honda Accord 4-cylinder doing a driver's side CV axle. Now this is how I do it. You guys can do it however way you want, but this is what I did. Took off upper control arm so that way I can swing it out of the way. Took off the tie rod end so it can rotate. Now this bottom bolt for the strut, I took it out, so what will happen is the other side that goes in the transmission will not go through this fork. So what I did is pulled it this way, moved it over to the side so that there's enough room, go up underneath, get just the shaft half to go in between right here. Then the bulk part of it can slide in through and then head in that way. Also took out the caliper so that way I had room over in this direction for pulling it in and out, giving you more space. Taking the old one out was not much of an issue. There is a little C-clip that it goes on the back of most CV axles. I just used a pry bar, one good pop right up against the transmission, it comes flowing right out. Got a catch pan out there to catch any transmission. Top off the transmission fluid when you are done. But going back together, one little primary note: when you're taking off these joints, put the nut back on so it's flush up against here, so when you either use a hammer or you can use a ball joint press, whichever. But I've gotten doing this over the past 25 something years. I could put a nut right here, tap on this part here, and it will pop it loose, and that way you don't damage the threads. Otherwise you'd be putting another control arm on. Same thing goes with this here. Yes, you could have taken out the lower ball joint and swing it out of the way, but because of where it's located at, it is a lot harder to get anything up in here in order to pop it out to move the knuckle out of the way. So this is how I did it. I am not sure of what these specs and stuff like that are that said this is what you need to do, but that is how I did it. Leave any questions, comments. Please like and subscribe.